On Monday, more than 1 million people in the US were diagnosed with COVID 19 as a crashing wave of Omicron cases hit America. The highly mutated variant drove US cases to a record, the most by a large margin that any country has ever reported. Monday's number is almost double the previous record of about 590,000 that was set just 4 days ago in the US, which itself was a doubling from the prior week. It is also more than twice the case count seen anywhere else at any time since the pandemic began more than 2 years ago. The highest number outside the US came during the Delta surge when more than 414,000 people were diagnosed on May 7th of 2021. The gigantic numbers being posted in the US come even as many Americans are relying on tests they take at home with results that aren't reported to official government authorities. That means that record is surely a significant underestimate. While there are no reports of severe infections or increasing deaths, the variant's impact has been felt across the country as the newly infected isolate at home. The results are cancelled flights, closed schools and offices, overwhelmed hospitals, and strangled supply chains. The data from Johns Hopkins University is complete as of midnight Eastern Time in Baltimore, and delays in reporting over the holidays may have played a role in the rising rates. The surge is leading authorities to consider a revision of some measures put in place to help guide the nation through the latest phase of the outbreak, while the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention shortened the isolation period to 5 days for asymptomatic people who test positive for COVID 19. Officials said that the agency may add that they should get a negative test result before venturing out again. The good news is that deaths from COVID haven't similarly soared. Early studies show that the Omicron variant spreads faster than earlier strains but causes milder symptoms. The outlook for 2022 depends on whether the death toll follows cases and picks up in the weeks to come, or if evidence suggesting the Omicron wave will be less severe holds up as more real-world data emerges.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.